Hi mga ka-UVG ako ulit. So, kamusta kayo dyan? Tignan natin kung anong kaganapan sa ating mga collective dyan. Tignan natin. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, let's see, Virgo. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay. Family guard. Family issue. Family healing. Death card transformation. Okay, fine. Oh, wow. Dang it. Hindi ko alam kung i-upload ko to. Be careful sa mga family member. Three of Pentacles, the Hermit card. Kinabahan ako dun sa hilera na yun. Sana po ay na ano nyo yung isip ko no, sa first row. Ayokong banggitin eh. Hindi ko na lang po babanggitin yung ano, pero alam nyo na. May possibility lang naman. Patingin ako ulit. 7 of Swords. 5 of Swords. Ace of Swords. Tangin na puro swords. Mga needle. For some of you, sa mga nagda-dialysis po, baka may kakilala ka. Okay. Member of the family. Judgment card. May mga injection ako nakikita. Nag-healing with the Four of Swords. Family member. Complication sa health. Health ang nakikita ko dito eh. The Moon card. The Sun. Pagkatapos ng sakit, merong ginhawa. Para bagang yung feeling na nanganak. Labor muna. Pero hindi ko sinabing may buntis for some of you. Pero sa nakikita ko dito, may nag-go through sa healing process. Physically, health-wise. Ang nakikita ko dito. Abuso to, inabuso katawan eh. Or basta something in that line. Maniningil na. Maniningil na yung katawan nito. Hindi ko alam. Just pay attention sa mga addiction. Kasi meron kang devil card. Okay. Yun ang masasabi ko, Virgo. Sa mga addiction mo. The Lovers. Knight of Swords. King of Wands. So, Pentacles. Parang in and out. In and out sa addiction to eh. Abuso sa katawan. Okay. And regardless, hardworking dito. King of Wands, trying your best to make a living. Based on experience, ang dami mong experience dito. Marami kang wisdom na dapat mong i-share sa mga kung sino man ang malapit sa'yo. Okay. Role model lang nakikita ko dito sa'yo. 6 of Cups. good example ka, pero at the same time, marami silang hindi alam sa'yo. Okay. Na ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, marami kang alam mong hindi mo gusto. Knight of Cups, King of Cups. So nakikita ko dito, Virgo, pay attention sa mga, baka may kakilala kang nag-undergo ng dialysis or nag-go through ng healing process when it comes to physical or health. Okay. This person is abusive sa health niya. Okay. It can go either way, Virgo. So just pay attention. Hindi ko alam kung i-upload ko to or something, pero I think someone needs to hear it. Okay. Sa addiction po, may mga addiction dito na kailangan itigil. Okay. But love yourself more. King of Cups, Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups, King of Cups, the Hierophant and the Hangman. You need to be more loving, Virgo. Kasi kung ano man yung sinasabi mo sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, stay healthy or yun ang nakikita nila sa'yo. Pero outdoor, yun ang outdoor. Ang may indoor ka dito na something hidden, na tinatry mo yung best mo, na hindi bumalik sa ganong addiction. For some of you lang, mga Virgos na may addiction. I think, with the full card, kailangan mo talagang i-let go ng tuluyan. Hindi naman ganun kadali, kaya nga meron kang 2 of Pentacles, still trying your best. But people perceive you as amazing. Okay. 3 of Pentacles. People look up to you. Meaning, hanga sila sa'yo. For some people na talagang mahal ka, at saka yung mga tao mo talaga, okay. You're the best in their eyes. Okay. So, pero I think meron ka dito sa sarili mong hate na hate mo. Hate na hate mo kasi bakit? Matagal mo na siyang gustong alisin, pero para ba ang hirap ipagpag. Tama ba't ako nakapanggit ng pagpag? Piste. Ay, sorry. Sorry lang. Basta dito sa first row, merong nag-go through ng healing process physically, health-wise, sa health department. Okay. People around you perceive you as very loving, giving, generous. Hanga ang mga people sa'yo dito. The way na mag-share ka ng knowledge mo sa mga natutunan mo, very humble. Okay, pero meron kang certain addiction dito kasi meron kang 6 of swords, 6 of wands, victory card. People appreciate you. People celebrate you. Okay. But if you are alone, kind of nasa indoor ka, with yourself, with your own, meron kang addiction dito na talagang kinokontrol mo, na gusto mong i-cut off na ng tuluyan, pero still trying pa rin. Or for some of you, merong specific person sa buhay mo, baka sa workplace, with the 8 of Pentacles, King of Wands. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, ha, na pinag-aaralan ka, obsessed siya sa iyong kakaisip. Parang na-addict na siya, parang nagkakaroon na siya ng daily routine na check out ka, i-check out, i-check in ka. Di ko sinabing check in na hotel, meaning mag-ano ba, status mo or mag-update sa'yo or anong ginagawa mo or whatsoever and things in that nature. Pero kung sino naman tong person na to, nasa high position siya with a Hierophant, baka boss energy ang nararamdaman ko nandito or maybe coworker na nasa high position. And with the King of Cups, very intelligent, emotionally intelligent, Knight of Cups is like want to offer you something, being sweet, being kind. But this person or basta itong person na 'to nakikita ka niya as the Hangman, and the Full Guard. Meaning, hindi obvious sa'yo na you're very smart with the Hierophant. Tsaka with the Hermit card, which is card mo to. Then, each and every day na tong person na to, tinatry niya yung best niya sa obsession niya thing na meron kang people appreciates you, gusto kang makasama ng mga kung sino man ang gusto. Very public. The way na magkihalubilo ka or the way you treat people, the way you treat others, this person is very amazed. Okay. Hanga. This person puts you in the pedestal. Okay. Lover man yan, co-worker man yan. Basta merong believe sa'yo dito. And at the same time, baka itong person na to is in the hangman position. Hindi siya makagalaw, hindi siya makamove. Nakaka-move siguro siya, pero bare minimum. Samantalang ikaw, on the another hand, you are very free-spirited. Spirited. You go with the flow. Very pure soul. Na sinasabi. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Tatlong scenario. Isa sa health department, kung sino man yung nag-healing, go through healing. May naniningil na dito. Kung ikaw man ang may addiction, you need to cut it out, Virgo, as soon as possible. Kasi may maniningil dito when it comes to health. Okay. Kung ito ay tinatago mo sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, hindi sila aware, you need to stop it because wala po tayong sikreto na hindi na ibubulgar. Okay. So, in the another hand naman, ang extension nun, regarding sa addiction, kung may addiction ka, tinatry mo yung best mo, I think you need to love yourself more, pamper yourself more, treat yourself good more, kind of energy. Okay, so people, lahat ng mga sinesharan mo dito ng experience mo, you're being humble when it comes to your job and to your work, you're being a good person overall. Tinitingala ka ng mga person dito at saka merong specific person dito na na-obsessed din sa'yo. Nagkakaroon na ng routine na ano kayong ginagawa niya, silipin ko kaya. Yung parang ganong energy. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Six of Cups, nostalgic. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang nostalgic or baka may mga naaalala ka regarding sa past. Knight of Swords. Ayoko na mag-dive deep. Seven of Wands. Mga hindi nag-workout. Mga defensive people. I think you will find yourself like thinking about past people, event, mga nangyaring kaganapan in the past. Okay. So, and I think you will overthink things na kaya pala hindi nag-workout yun kasi it's not meant to be. So, it is what it is. Kind of energy. Naging defensive man siya pero I think huli mo pa rin siya sa akto dito. Yun lang ang nakikita ko. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang advice. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, no? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, tingnan natin. Anong advice sa ating mga UVG dyan? UVG Collective. What do you need to release? Addiction gani. Meron dito. Ipo-point out ko talaga yung addiction. For some Virgos na walang addiction, hindi po para sa yung reading nito. Baka in some part lang. Hindi 100%. You need to release what I think. Kaka-overthink din. Included din yun. Okay. So, what else? Luck is on your side. Definitely luck is on your side with the victory card. People will celebrate you. People will notice you on the things that you do on work, at work, or community, or kung ano pa man ang ginagawa mo in general. Highly appreciated ka dito, Virgo. You are being noticed on the things that you do. Kind of all eyes on you right now. Okay. So, tingnan natin. What else? What is the advice? Look at the bigger picture, Virgo. At saka, you're very close to achieving your goal. Definitely. Expect a powerful change. Wow, Virgo. You need to take action na. Okay. Pero, it's gonna start within. Lahat sa sarili mo talaga magsisimula lahat. Okay, so, expect some powerful change. Malaking reset to. Luck is on your side. You are very close to achieving your goals. But, you need to look at the bigger picture also. So, alam mo kung paano ka gagalaw. Meaning, hindi mo naman may pipredict lahat ng mga galawan or mga mangyayari bukas. But at least you know to yourself na nagsimula ka sa sarili mo. Ganun lang masasabi ko. Sana naman po ay naka-resonate. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano ang angel message number. What is the angel message number for my Virgo, please? Meron kang 10. Meron kang king nag-pass away. This is masculine energy. 5, 2. 1052 Virgo, Google mo siya. Angel message number 1052. Maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, yeah. This is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Sa mga hindi pa makaresonate, better luck next time po. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, Virgo, and bye for now.